What's up, guys? It's Mark the Greatest, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create an Instagram Reels. Now, if you're new to my channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share this video with anyone that you guys may know, and let's get right into it, y'all. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to create Instagram Reels. So the first two apps and the apps you're going to need is Tab Browser and also InShot. So you guys download those mobile apps, and I'm also gonna put those in the description down below. And we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So the first app you're gonna go into is Tab Browser. So we're gonna go into Tab Browser right now. Sorry for all the mess. All right, so the next thing you guys wanna do is go to Browser. Right, you want to go to Browser, and then you want to go to pixels.com in the search bar, and we want pixels.com video, so we're going to click that. Then we're going to click free stock videos pixels on the first link on Google. Then we can search up any video that we want, so we can have like a video of a boat. So you want to type in like an item, like a boat, a bathroom, or whatever you want to post. And then the next thing you guys want to do is click filter. Click apply. And then now you can use whatever video you want. So let's use this video, for instance. The first link you want to click cancel link. The second one where it says 500 best boat videos, you want to download that. And now it's been downloaded onto your Tab Browser app. So now you want to go to downloads on the bottom tab of Tab Browser. Then you want to click the video that you just downloaded, which is the very last video, which is at the top. So you want to click that. Then you want to click the three dotted line on the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to click share. Then you want to click InShot. So now you have the video onto InShot. The next thing you guys want to do is like add text if you guys want to. I prefer to add text, so add text. So you can say anything you want. It could be anything inspirational. It could be a special fact of the day. It could be whatever you guys want. It could be about whatever you guys want. So I'm just going to post something motivational. So I'm going to say, be the best you that you can be. All right, so now we're gonna click the check mark. We have our text, and we can put the text like above to make it look better. And we can also reduce the size of this text, or we could just leave it, but I prefer like a reduced size, but not too small to where people can't see it. So we have our first pair of text. So if you want to add another pair of text, you would just click text, that green T at the bottom, that second button at the bottom, and then you can type in whatever you want. And after you typed in whatever you want, you want to press the check button. You want to put it where your first text is. And as you see, like there's like an overlap. So how to fix that is you want to press the second text that has like the white outline at the bottom where it has the two arrows. You want to move that and drag it with your hand. And you want to create like some space in between your first text, and now you want to play it to see if it has some good timing on it. And then after that you have your text, right? So now the thing you want to do is cut out the text wherever you want your text to end at. So you want to click the bottom, which is the video. No, actually you want to click the check button. Then you want to click the video itself, right, which is at the bottom. Click where the image goes, and there's a timer. Then you want to click split, drag over here and click split. And now there's two sections of the video. Then you want to delete the second half of the video, which is by clicking the trash can. And now your second half has been deleted. And if you guys want to add music, all you guys have to do is go back onto Tap Browser. So we're going to get out of InShot. We're going to go back to Tap Browser, and we're going to search for some music. And actually you can go on YouTube for this. So go into your YouTube app, and we can search for like non-copyrighted music. So just put in non-copyrighted background music for 3 minutes, and I already have the link here. So, but type that in, and you can choose whatever music you want. So you want to click share. You want to press copy link at the bottom of share, and now your link has been saved to the clipboard. Then the next thing you guys want to do is go back onto Tap Browser. Then you want to press browser at the bottom, and then you want to press the search tab where it has the URL. You want to click the X. Then you want to press the search bar again. Then it's going to say like paste. Then you want to press paste. And now you have the URL to the music that you want to put in. You want to press go. Then you want to press download. And now the music has been downloaded onto Tap Browser. So you want to press downloads. And then you want to press the video that you just downloaded. And then you want to press the 3 dotted line. You want to press share. And then you want to press save video. So now the video of the audio that you want to use is now saved onto your phone photos. Okay. So the next thing you guys want to do is get out of Tap Browser, and you want to go back to InShot. And then you want to go back to the draft that you guys were working on, the video that you were working on. Then you want to press music. Then you want to press tracks. Then you want to press extract audio from video. And then you want to press the last one that you just downloaded. So this is the audio I downloaded. And you can like trim it down a bit by dragging those 2 arrows. And then you want to just then you can press the audio itself. Then you want to split that where it ends, and then you want to delete the second half. Okay, so you want to delete that. Then you want to press the check button, and then now you want to save this video onto your phone. So you want to click the up button on the right hand upper hand corner. Then you want to press save. Then you want to let it load. And then there's going to be an ad. You want to exit that out. And then there's going to be a check button to the left hand corner. And it's going to have a check, and it's going to say save after it's done loading. Then you want to get out of InShot, right? And just make sure and see that your video has been saved onto your storage. And as you see, the video has been saved. That's good. Then the next thing you guys want to do is go on Instagram. So I'm going to go onto my Instagram right now. And then I'm going to go to my profile. Then I'm going to click the plus button at the top. Then I'm going to press reel. And then the next thing you guys want to do is press the image at the bottom left hand corner where your video is. Then you want to press that video. Then you want to press preview. Then you can write your caption. You can type whatever. I'm just going to type whatever for this example. And then you would, after you're done, you can press like, after you're done with your text, you can also add captions. So for this, I could say motivation, to add hashtags. Then you want to add some hashtags. Then you want to just say anything like motivation, inspiration, something like that, or Instagram. Then you click in the middle of the screen so that the bottom link goes down. Then for this example, I'm going to click save as draft, but you guys want to click share so that your Instagram post, your Instagram Reels is now public to Instagram. And that's how you post an Instagram post. That's how you post a Instagram Reels on Instagram. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new, please subscribe. Also smash that like button and hit that notification bell if you guys want more of my upcoming videos, you guys. And I hope everyone has a great day, y'all. Y'all have a blessed one. It's Mark the Greatest. Peace.